Ayan, good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. Medyo sunog ang mukha ko, so please give me one moment. Ayan, nakakalimutan ko laging patayin i-on yung ilaw sa likod para po mag-balance yung light. So magandang umaga po. Yesterday, PSEi, madugong labanan sa PSEi yesterday. Early in the morning, but late in the afternoon, nag-recover naman kaagad sa PSEi, but not that much. We're still below MA20, which is 7896, pero kahapon umabot yan ng 7798. That was caused by the, ano tawag doon? Yung impeachment, yeah, 'di ba? Nakita natin the other day yung si PSEi, yung si Nasdaq, international market dropped a lot. And yun yung sinasabi natin, pag nag-drop ang mga investors sa international market, most likely ang mga investors din foreign sa PSEi naglalabasan. Ayun, naglabasan. Pero nag-recover rin naman kaagad. Binili rin naman ng mga tao. Net foreign selling yesterday was at 309 million. So that was a very big sell-off from the international market. Buti lang nag-recover kaagad tayo. Yan. So, let's go ahead and continue. I'm gonna read your comments really quick. One moment. Let me just turn off the audio. Boom. Okay. So, I'll go to the comments really quick. Good morning, Joel Legares. Ikaw naman nauna sa comments. Good morning po. Tomorrow nga pala, pupunta na kami ng Manila for the seminar. So guys, I hope to see you there. Today we're gonna be announcing 5 winners for yesterday's for our promotion for the September 29 seminar. Magbibigay po kami ng tickets later in the video. And Air Plata, good morning. Joel, good morning. Good morning, Coach Lloyd. Good morning, Ma'am Apple. Have a blessed morning. Greetings from Canada. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Alright, so Sir Insights po. Chris Canilan, good morning. Insights po kay Disney, DBA, Intel. Thanks, Coach. Ay, kahapon naman, good thing, nag-recover naman ang international market. For one of my biggest holds is Microsoft. At yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kahit na magka-negative ang news, maliit lang ang mga pullbacks ni Microsoft, tuloy at tuloy ang pag-akyat niyan. And there it is, Microsoft is recovering already. So we're on the green on Microsoft again. I'm strongly recommending Microsoft for long term. Disney. Ano nga ba ang code ni Disney? DIS. Right. Walt Disney. Ito. Si New York Stock Exchange. For Disney. Here we go. Uy, si Disney. Uy, nag-confirm ng support si Disney. This is very good for Disney. Overall, medyo pababa yung trend niya. But we have a support for Disney. Especially now that Disney is launching something. Earnings last quarter is good naman. So that should help Disney go up. I'd say yes. After this growth right here, this is a very strong support for Disney. I can recommend this right now. Yeah, this is a good bounce for Disney yesterday. So after a very strong pullback, si Disney nag-bounce naman sa support. Good support for Disney. This is a good time to test Disney. Pwede nyo po i-testing ito, Air. You're also asking about DBA. Hopefully, Air Plata, ginamit mo ang link ko when you created the account. Okay. Sayang naman. DBA did a breakout. This is a good entry point for DBA. So good find. Fundamentals, not really sure with the fundamentals of DBA, but technical analysis wise, look at this right here. This is what I've been telling you always. Whenever there's divergence, nasa RSI buy na tayo. Try to test out that company. If the company is doing well, then why not get in it, diba? So DBA is good. Intel, Coach, Intel. It's from Nasdaq, Intel Corp. Ayun, so MA20 bounce for Intel Corp. That's a good recovery for Intel. Intel has been doing well for this year, even last year, napakaganda ng galaw ng company na yan. This was a very good start for Intel. That was the start of the climb. And this is the pullback, and then there's the bounce. Malapit tayo sa resistance, but yeah, this is a good pullback to test Intel Corp. This is a cup, and so sir handle. Pag nag-breakout yan, another breakout will be a very good signal to buy Intel Corporation. So abangan nyo po isang signal pa ng buy kay Intel. That will be a good entry point for Intel. Jing Martinez, good morning coach. Insights po kay Fen. Good for investment po ba? Si Fen, good for investment po ba? So far, so good. Yeah, maganda naman development si Fen. Especially now that it is under Ayala. It's just that, nasa taas pa ngayon si Fen. Maganda ito pasukin if ever magmura siya. Right? Wala naman forever na trend. Right now, it's showing us a downtrend. So let's see where this is heading. Where this is headed. And that's where you start buying Fed. Okay? This is from Jing Martinez. Amil Angelo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, everyone. Good morning then. Ben Moneda, hello, sir. Good morning po. Sir, insights kay Med and Tech, please. Si Meg. Yesterday, for me, Meg was a buy. Kaso nga lang yung market, grabe pulahan. That's why nahila rin si Meg. So sadly, hindi nag-sustain si Meg. But the support is still there. Let's see if it will go green. Pwede pa nating bilhin ito. Let's see kung mag-recover kagad ang market after a very strong drop yesterday. Isa si Meg sa naghila eh. Tech. Si Tech, nag-break ng support. Hindi pa rin. Nandyan pa rin sa support si Tech. So this is still okay. Tech overall is still very good. We still have a very strong divergence after hitting a strong buy signal. Si Tech is still showing us good support. So yun nga lang, problema sa market yesterday. Konti na investors naglalabasan ng mga tao. When that happens, stocks tend to drop. And there you go, kung konti lang ng green sa stocks natin. Karamihan, pula. And there it is. Tech, we'll wait for a few days. Siguro mag-recover yan kaagad. But already, this is a head and shoulder, but we are playing at support, so that's still okay. We're just back in support. Let's see if it will bounce. Mahirap ang head and shoulders pag nasa taas po. But we are playing it at the bottom naman. Yes, this is considered a bearish pattern. So if ever that goes green and breaks that head and shoulder, that's already negated. So hindi naman kaanong problema talaga yan. Same here, bot Meg at 4.76. Sadly, malas si market. Medyo pulahan kahapon, but overall we're still playing at support. 4.76. Okay lang yun. Napakababa ng bili mo ni Meg. That's a very good buy, right? As long as the support holds, that's still okay. Hopefully that support holds, but this is still very cheap for Meg, okay? For a very good company. Okay ba si Meg? ARSN Pty Ltd, good morning sir. Okay ba si Tech? Head and shoulders na po ba yung form niya? That's okay. ARSN Pty Ltd, insights po kay Fen, more power and God bless. Si Fen, medyo bearish pa ang pattern na pinapakita niya. Let's see what will happen, right? There's a strong pin bar here. This could be a reversal, but that's too aggressive to say. We can't say for sure yet. We're still playing at the lower Bollinger Band levels. Hopefully, recover kaagad yan. But right now, we don't see any buy signals for Fen. Sorry, excuse me. Jose B, good morning, Boss Lloyd. Insights po kay AGI, MPI, JFC. Si JFC, after yesterday, bumagsak si JFC. We are now playing at 210, tas nag-recover rin naman kagad to 218. So, yeah, that means that meron pong bumibili kay JFC, right? So, hopefully, nakabili po kayo, right? This is good. Jollibee just bought a Coffee Bean. Ganyan naman talaga lagi. Whenever something is, whenever you want to go into something, JFC wanted to go into the coffee business since Starbucks is very good, right? Jollibee bought it, right? Because Coffee Bean somehow is not being managed well. Ang laki ng utang nila. And this time, let's see if Jollibee is able to turn it around. Especially sa Pilipinas, maganda naman ang takbo ni Coffee Bean. Okay lang naman. So yeah, that's for me, fundamentals wise, it wasn't a good buy kasi ang laki ng utang ni Coffee Bean. But I think a change of management should be able to help Coffee Bean. Hindi naman lost cause si Coffee Bean. So for me, That's still a good purchase overall, especially the real estate of Coffee Bean na ang laki na ng hawak ni Coffee Bean ngayon. AGI, MPI. So, daanan natin sa AGI. We were waiting for the buy signal of AGI, pero wala tayo, hindi tayo binigyan. So, we were not able to recommend AGI. But, this is divergence drop. Any bounce soon is still gonna be very good. So, overall, malapit na tayo sa pinakamababa na rating ni AGI the past few years. So, that is gonna be a very good level to catch AGI. Okay? So, AGI is doing well. Yun nga lang yung third quarter niya, second quarter niya medyo negative, but that's okay because last year okay naman yung galaw niya. But AGI, abangan natin. Divergence po itong galaw na ito, so this is still very good for AGI. Wala pa namang massive selling for AGI. MPI, si MPI naman, kahapon, isa sa mga blue chips na nagpabigat. Sadly, MPI dropped, market dropped, and MPI together with it. So, abangan natin ulit si MPI, right? Been recommending MPI here. We were able to ride that climb for MPI. We'll wait for it again to drop and buy from there. Tommy Escobedo, good morning po, Coach, and all viewers. AG and Meg po, affected din po ba si Meg dahil sa Pogo? Yung Pogo, hindi naman, yun isa sa rason bakit natin nire-recommend si Meg lately. It's because it was one of the biggest companies affected by Pogo. Very good question, right? And then, ayun, hindi naman itutuloy ni President Duterte will not be entertaining Pogo. So, the Pogo issue. So, wala pong mawawalangan na business kay Meg. So, that's why we think it should recover. But then again, we don't have any investors right now sa PSEi. That's why medyo mahirap po. Tapos, ang dami pa natin nasa eToro na. Kaya, mas kumukonti ang volume na napupunta sa PSEi. Right? But, if we are into the stock market for gains naman on purposes, mas maganda po sa international market kaysa PSEi. Bakit po? Sa international market kasi ang mga companies doon, hindi lang country nila ang nasa-serve nila. Di ba? For example, you wanna invest in Microsoft. I am invested in Microsoft. Comparing it to other companies here in the Philippines, I don't think no company can compare with Microsoft. Bakit? Microsoft is worldwide, meaning kahit saan sulok ng mundo, nasa serve ni Microsoft, diba? That's the beauty of it kasi halos lahat ng computer sa buong mundo may Microsoft. So it's very useful. Facebook internationally is very good. Google internationally, halos lahat ng mga companies halos lahat ng bansa gumagamit ng Google. So Google tsaka Google. So that's why I'm saying international companies are better. That's why I'm much more invested in them right now compared to PSEi. Pero if you wanna support the country's economy, pwede kayo mag-iwan ng pera sa PSEi naman. That's a very big help already, right? I'm still into PSEi, but I'm into long-term na lang sa PSEi. Arvin Ticar, good morning, sir. Insights po kay JFC, Meg Tech. JFC covered JFC, Meg, and Tech. Uy, uso tong tatlong to ngayon na. Right? Brian Solier, I'm buntag Sir Lloyd, paki-insights kay Aveo, MFG, ACB, NetP. Let's go for Aveo. Aveo nagpo-pull back pa. So, let's stay away from that for now. Abangan nyo po ang buy signal niyan. This gap is very good for Aveo. Most probably there's something that is up with the company. I'm not really sure if that's good. Then definitely, US Pharma announced presentation of 5.5 PS result, phase 2 portion of renal cell carcinoma space focus. We are upgraded to buy. What is that? This is the this is what is making Aveo go up. Yet buy na ang ng mga analysts sa kanya. Analyzation ng mga analysts, kaya this might go up again after this consolidation. Malapit at this MA20 for Aveo. So this is something good to watch for MFG. Check out that news. Basahin niyo po yung news na yun, bakit nag-green siya. MFG, wow, good volume yesterday for MFG. This is a good support for MSG with this volume right here. I'd say yes, this is gonna be a buy anytime soon for MFG. ACB Medyo downtrend pa pinapakita niya. We have a resistance on the downtrend. Short-term speaking. Malapit na tayo sa buy signals niya. This is a divergence level. Malapit na tayo sa RSI na buy. So, let's see what will happen in the coming days. Maganda naman yung earnings niya for this year. Oh, very good. 183%, 316%. So, this is very good numbers for an ACB. And look at that. We are now very near the major support of ACB. So, yun nga lang. It's up to you if you want to invest in cannabis. This is subject for morality dito sa Pilipinas. So, it's up to you if you invest in this. But yeah, this is showing us good signals right here. Okay? Malapit na tayo sa major support niya. So, you can test that out. ACB, NetP. Puro pharmaceuticals itong inaano mo So, I'm not sure what NetP is. But yeah. Brian Solier, salamat. You're welcome. Kenji, hello sir. Good morning. Pwede po ba pasukin today CHP? Si DNL po, nakuha ko 907. Add more. Po ba? Wait muna, magbaba pa siya. Thanks. God bless po. Kumusta natin si DNL? One of my favorite stocks. Sabi sa inyo, bodegahin siya, di ba? Dito sa support, if nakabili ka na ng 907, that's already a good buy. Mamaya kayo mag-buy more if ever it goes really down further, right? But right now, we're still playing at support. Your buy is still okay. If you wanna add, that's okay. But as much as possible, kung bababa pa siya, that's when you buy more. Bodega strategy dito, meaning you accumulate. Kasi this is a very good stock. You cannot go wrong on very good companies, right? It's just market sentiments right now is down. Right? Napakapangit po ng market right now. Napakalit ng volume, especially sa international buying, sa foreign selling natin. That's why these companies are dropping. But the best thing here is, while everyone is out, you start accumulating while wala pang noise. Right? Especially in good companies. So yeah, DNL, but much better if you buy more if it dips further down. It's up to you if you want to buy more now if you have extra cash. CHP, I'm still expecting negative volatility in CHP after the FOO. So, I cannot recommend CHP still. We still are seeing a bearish signal for CHP. Still not a buy for me. Right, Lemon. Asan yan? Lemon Advent, thanks so much sa yung answers last week, Sir Lloyd, about short sell sa eToro. More commodities lang ba pwede, or pwede rin sa equities like Apple or Microsoft? Pwede po yan sa lahat. All the assets in what do you call this? eToro can be shorted. Okay? It's just that si gold lang ang tinesting natin, tsaka si Bitcoin is because they are the markets that were open the past few days. Si Bitcoin ko nag-gain sa short sell sa example natin, di ba? But yeah, even Microsoft and Apple, you can short them. Salis, good morning coach. Ano po problema mangyayari kay Meg? What do you po? Ipit na ako. Meg is a good company. Don't worry about it. If ipit kayo, that means you decided to become an investor. Number one is, I strongly recommend you buy more if ever Meg creates another support. Start buying more. Ibodega niyo po si Meg because that company is gonna recover. It's just that market sentiments is down right now. Pag market sentiments lang, that's okay. If you don't want to add more funds, What's up, Insider? I have a video about how to average down. Just search for this. Average down Lloyd Bazar. Right. Search po average down Lloyd Bazar. I have a video about how to average down without adding money in stocks. Yun po yung thumbnail na I didn't cut loss help. This will help you average down on your stocks. Meaning, mababa yung average nyo. Excuse me. Katinailong ko. Average down without adding funds into the stock. So, kung wala kayong pera na, then this is the best thing to do. Kaysa wala kayong gawin, di ba? Okay. Going back to the comments. Add lang ako na ads. Alright. Ano po problema nangyari kay Meg? It's just market sentiments are down. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, and everyone from Raquel Necesito. Good morning, Raquel. Uy, Sir Raquel. I want to shout out to Raquel. She's still doing the daily grind, but I created a post about Raquel. I want to shout out to Raquel. Sa mga hindi po alam yung post ko, right? I posted this yesterday. Girl Power, she ranked 27 in Asia right now for the best trader using our day trading strategies. We teach for free. So this is Raquel. This is her profile. And RB Necesito, she's now up 69% in her port for September. That's amazing, right? 27th, ranked 27th in all Asian traders, right? This is a competition right now that eToro is running in Asia. Okay, kung alam niyo po yun. The best winner is gonna win $5,000 hanggang rank 10. But 27, being 27, kahit wala pong premyo yan, that's still a very good win overall because you will now have a strategy in day trading. We are doing day trading in eToro. It's much better to trade in eToro. Kung gusto niyo po mag-day trading or mag-position trading, I strongly recommend eToro. So if ever wala pa kayong eToro account, join us. This is a legit competition. Meron na po tayong Pinoy na nanalo. For the month of April, student ko rin po na sumali sa Trading Masterclass. He was able to win also this competition. Nanalo siya ng $5,000. But right now, the good thing is marami na pong Pinoy na napapasok sa top 100. Yung trading coach natin, isa na si Jed Villardo, is also ranked here within the top 100. So sobrang daming na-join dito. That's already a win for the Filipinos. Damihan pa po natin ang Pinoy naman nagte-trade sa eToro. Para naman po, kaysa sa PSE kayo nagte-trade na pahirapan. I keep telling you guys, pahirapan po mag-trade sa PSE. Why? It's because of the volume. If you want to trade, kung gusto nyo po mag-trading talaga, and because you're only after the gains, then why not trade in a better market, in a better platform, 'di ba? Join us in eToro, right? Create an eToro account. Please use my link lang po if you want to create an eToro account. Because if you use my link, andyan po sa video description, and you trade using your account, the account using my link, that helps the channel a lot. Kaya po nakapagbigay po tayo ng mga seminars na libre. Kaya po, the program is still ongoing. Yung tulong po natin sa mga Pilipino is patuloy po. It's because you're helping us back in return. Please use the eToro account that you create using my link. Right po, pag nagtatrade po kayo. Okay, going back. Shout out to Raquel again. So, yan po. Winner na po yan. Magaling na po mag-day trade yan si Raquel, pero nanonood pa rin ng daily grind. Hi Raquel. Raymond Arano, good morning sir. Lloyd, AC, LHC, ISM. Yan si AC, na-recommend ko yun kahapon. I'd say yes, it's still a buy for me today. Nag-drop siya yesterday but nag-recover rin kaagad kasi maraming bumibili kasi mura si AC. Right, so AC is still a buy for me. Kaso nga lang, medyo tumaas na siya but overall still a buy. LHC, let's see. Yan, antayin natin ang bounce ni LHC. If that bounces, that's a confirmation of the support again for LHC. That will be a buy pag nag-green yan. ISM, open pa po ba slot sa seminar sa Sunday, Sir Lloyd? Yes, may open pa, Raymond Arano, this afternoon. The afternoon session is still very open. Kaya po, kasi karamihan nagsisiksika na sa morning. But we're closing the morning registration. Afternoon po sana kasi puno na si morning. ISM. Ayan, si ISM, balikan natin sa support si ISM. Abangan natin sa support. For now, wala pa rin ang market sentiments, hindi pa umaakyat. Michael Ibabaw, may buntag. RJ, good morning sir. ISM po. It's not yet a buy for today. Jesril Arreglo. Sir, PHA and ZHI, thank you. PHA and ZHI. Si PHA, nag-drop to si PHA eh. So, nag-drop si PHA after yesterday. Again, I'm not going to be recommending PHA anytime soon. But if I see a good support, a solid support for PHA, that will be a good entry point for PHA. Right now, wala pa. ZHI. Si ZHI naman, good price action for ZHI. We do just have a resistance right here. Best if you want to enter ZHI. It's either a pullback if it creates a support or a breakout for ZHI. Kung gusto nyo po pumasok dyan. Looking good for ZHI. Jampol Sikat, good morning. Sir, dami ko natutunan dito. Salamat, sir. Happy to help Jampol. Alright, guys. For people like Jampol na mga newbies at may natututunan sa daily grind, this is the reason why I strongly ask you, please, share the video. Paki-share po ang video sa Facebook walls po ninyo, tsaka sa mga trading groups ninyo. If you have any trading groups out there, na maraming newbies, share this video so that marami po tayo mga newbies na magabayan when it comes to trading. Okay? Pio Campanero Jr., good morning, sir, and God bless. God bless din. Sir Lloyd, insights po kay GSMI. Pang bodega ba to? Yes, definitely. One of the good companies to keep saving up with because sobrang ganda ng fundamentals ng company na ito. And you can see the earnings of GSMI always very consistent, palaki ng palaki yan. Habang yumayaman ang mga Pinoy, maraming nag-celebrate. Kaya palaki ng palaki ang kita ni GSMI. Yan. So, yeah. Juvie, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ask ko lang po sa eToro, pa long term ang pinapasok nyo. Sir Jed kasi day trader ba siya? Insights lang kay Bull at DMW. Yes, right now, I am focused more into long-term trading. If you wanna check out my port, medyo pulahan ang port ko. But I am holding this for long-term. Ito mga positions na ito. Kasi I'm focused more on stocks. Stocks right now, with the turmoil in the international markets, medyo pahirapan ang stocks. But the thing is, with US markets, nagre-recover din naman kaagad yan after destabilization concerns are done. So it's very good to go long-term in the international market. It's just right now, we are still very red because, yan, pulahan because of the instability. So si Jed naman Villardo is a day trader. He focuses on oil and gold, right? Commodities po sa kanila. Kasi pag bumabagsak ang stocks, ang nagkakaroon ng volatility is yung gold and oil. And sa day trading kasi, volatility is your friend, right? So kung nagde-day trade kayo, doon kayo sa high volatility stocks. And the high volatility assets pala, not stocks. Assets are gold and oil, especially in this kind of market na medyo shaky ang stocks. So yeah, it's very good to day trade there. It's just that if you have the time to day trade, then you day trade. Ako, hindi ko po pipilitin mag-day trade kasi I do not have the time to day trade. My career now is more into educating people about stock market and helping people with their finances. Ay, nagko-consultant po ako for people with their finances. So that's my career right now. And so, since I don't have the time to day trade, I only do position trade. I still have time to research companies and look for good positions. So I can do that instead. So position trading plus long term, right? Iniabangan kung bumaba ang mga stocks. If it goes further down, then I'm just gonna be buying more. Any insights lang din kay Vul and DMW, VUL. So si Vulcan, nag-break ng MA20, so stay away muna. Hindi nag-sustain yung magandang news ni Vulcan after the gap up. Imagine, ang daming naghabol at nainggit at nangaipit. Sadly, that happens in stocks. So, hopefully, you did your cut losses sa mga pumasok sa MA20, hindi nag-sustain. I did recommend VUL here. It's just that the market, the past few days, really, really bad. Kaya, hindi nag-sustain. VUL, DMW, and one of my favorite companies. Ito si DMW, pwede itong bodegahin. I strongly recommend magbodega kay DMW, but I did recommend DMW here. Kasi magandang dip na yon, and then nag-recover naman kaagad. Market right now, walang volume, so DMW has been dropping. I don't want to recommend it yet, hindi nag-sustain ng breakout niya. Saan natin pupulutin ito? So abangan natin. For now, stay put muna tayo. Dennis Sagao, good morning, Coach Lloyd. Si Tech, nasa support pa rin. Hopefully, we see a bounce. If that bounces, then buy as long as the support holds. KPPI po, Basuyo. Kamustahin natin ang price action ni KPPI. Ayun, pabagsak pa. Meron tayong possible support for KPPI. Tingnan natin. If mag-bounce si KPPI, dyan natin pasukin. When will ISM be changed to Udena? Number one is, we don't know yet, right? But it is still being processed. Number two is, it takes time for a stock to be, for the company to be renamed, right? Si Poppy po, for the longest time, naging Poppy siya. Kailan pa ba yun? Binili ni ano? I can't remember when Poppy was, wala na si Poppy, LHC pala. LHC. Si LHC, Poppy yan noon, right? So, let's see. This start of the climb, ito yung ito yung pagbili ni Pope ni ano sa Pope kay Popey dito. Around 2017, it took more than a year to really change the company's name, right? So it takes time. And even if that happened, makitram naman si Popey, right? It will take time for a stock to change the name. Depende po yun sa company, gano'n sila kabilis mag-process. But I think Udena will need to do it faster because palapit na silang mag-launch. And if they will need money, they will need to sell stocks of Udena. That's why I think they should do it faster. We cannot say when. Okay? It will take time. Hindi po madali yan. BTC, sir. Si Bitcoin, magandang drop ni BTC the past few days. But si BTC kasi very volatile. Ito, magandang drop ito. Starting to stabilize at 9205, na 84, ano. Bakit tagilid yung numbers ko? It's out now at 8404. Okay, bakit may linya ako dyan? May support tayo dyan. So, it's now at 8404. Still very volatile to say. Baka mag-recover lang yan, tas para matulog muna yung downtrend niya. But right now, it's on a downtrend. Abangan pa natin yan. Wag muna ngayon. I don't want you to trade Bitcoin. This is very volatile to trade. Yan, yung sabi ko sa inyo, I don't want to trade Bitcoin unless nagda-day trade kayo. Kasi volatility is your friend. You can short sell it and gain so much with Bitcoin. Kasi very good, maganda naman ang volume ni Bitcoin. But the best strategy here kay Bitcoin is really if you believe in the technology, try to accumulate. Bodega po ang style kay Bitcoin. The lower it gets, the better. Hi Sir Lloyd, morning po. Ayan, Meg po, any thoughts? This is from Becca kanina, LHC, ISM, DNL, and Meg po. Si DNL, definitely bodega lang kay DNL. Just accumulate DNL. If you don't have, just stay put lang. If hindi pa kayo nakabili dito sa support, magandang bumili. ISM is for long term. LHC also still very good. Meg, any thoughts po on Axellum? And I have a video about Axellum, yung IPO niya. What are my thoughts on it? Again, I don't buy IPOs. Because you are gambling if ever ang purpose ninyo po is huhulaan ninyo baka umakyat yan on the day or bumagsak. So you're gambling right there. We don't have any price action. We don't have any charting to know how the market sentiments really is. Sentiment really is, diba? So I don't buy IPOs. What I do is, it's a good company, so I wait for it to dip. If ever lumipad man yan, then I'll let it go. And then wait for it to dip. And then that's when I will be starting to buy. If I'm after trading lang, diba? And gains. But if you are going to go in it because you want to help the company, because the company needs help financially, that's why nag-IPO sila, to raise funds. And it's a good company because it's an agricultural company. Our agricultural sector needs help badly. So yeah, if you want to help the company, then you can go IPO. You can buy the IPO for Axellum. Becca Tangan, thank you po. You're welcome. Air Plata, Sir Lloyd, pahabol po, sir. Overview naman po ng konti ng mangisda.org. Interested po ako mag-invest. Thank you, sir. If may link kayo sa pa-share lang po, sir, pasilip na rin ng Megawide. Thank you. So, yeah, we still have time. It's 8:52. Give me 3 minutes to introduce to you mangisda.org. Very good question, Air Plata. Sa mga hindi pa alam what mangisda.org is, if you go to your website, webpage, and type mangingisda.org, this will come up. This is managed by me and my family. I am into the financial side of the business. I want you to visit mangingisda.org. Then click this one right here, full view of our costs. It will introduce to you the business plan of mangingisda.org. But to sum it up, mangingisda.org is like this. May papakita lang ako sa inyo. Alright. And yung nakikita po ninyo sa screen ninyo, these are called fish cages. Napakaganda po ng dagat niyan. Wala pong alon halos. That's why it's very feasible for fish cages. Kasi walang alon. Kasi pag fish cages, pag malakas ang alon, nasisira ang fish cages. But this is open sea. But look at that. Napakaganda po ng dagat dyan. Okay. The business is for fish cages. Kaya po sa Taal Lake, marami pong fish cages. Makikita nyo po dyan, may bangus farm po dyan sa Taal Lake. Pag nagpunta kayo Tagaytay. Sorry, excuse me. Pag nagpunta kayong Tagaytay, sa gilid yan, maraming fish cages kasi walang alon sa Tagaytay. I mean, sa Taal Lake, di ba? Here, we are located in Lopez-Saina, Biasong, Lopez-Saina, Misamis Occidental. These are the cages that you are seeing right now. It's already an ongoing business. So, our family have a business there, which is fish cages. Pero, hindi lang po pamilya ko. The government gave out around 200 fish cages to the fishermen there. Right? 200 cages po, tulong nila yan sa mga mangisda mahihirap. The thing is, hindi po na-sustain because after the first harvest, yung mga mangingisda, to prepare for the next, yung parang seeding and for the entire season, they will need around 600,000 to 650,000 pesos, right? Pinakamalaking gastos po dyan ang mga feeds, right? And fishermen do not have that sum, right? Ito po yung rason bakit nahihirapan yung mga mangingisda natin, mga farmers natin, those who are into farms, kaya nahihirapan because they don't have the funds to support the next cycle. Right? What usually farmers and fishermen do is they go to the banks and try to loan. Kaso nga lang, ang mga bangko maaarte at kailangan ng collateral. And ano pa yung pang-collateral ng mga mangisda? Wala, di ba? So, their option is because they cannot go to banks, they go to loan sharks. Just like our farmers, they go to loan sharks, uutang, pero sasakalin naman sila sa interest tsaka sa kita. So, in the end, what happens is, ang mga mangingisda, instead of earning a large amount in their fish farming, bangus po. Ito po yung nakikita ninyo sa farm po yan, mga bangus. Ang kita nila is, konti na lang. Parang sinesweldohan na lang sila. Right? And napakahirap po ng trabaho na ito. So, tsaka parang less than minimum wage pa. Minsan pa nga, lugi. Kasi minsan, yung mga loan sharks sila ang magbebenta ng isda. Bibilhin nila sa mga fishermen na mura. Wala silang choice ang mga mangisda because inutang nila sa taong yun ang pera. So, yung taong yun basically has the control of the fishes. So, that's the problem. Since it's not, they don't have the funds really to start their own batch of farming, hindi po sila na-sustain at from 200 cages na binigay ng government, 60 na lang ang nag-function doon ngayon. 60 na lang. Bakit? May 60 pa yung mga may pera ang nakapag-operate. What happened is yung mga negosyante na lang ang nag-ooperate, ang nagkumukuha na sila ng mga tao. So yung mga mangingisda mismo wala ng fish cages. Okay? Now, to resolve that issue, we are giving the fishermen of Mindanao access to finance, which is the financial arm of our organization there, which is mangingisda.org. Okay? So it's a crowdfunding website, yung mangingisda.org, where yung mga kaibigan natin mga Pinoy na naghahanap ng investments na legitimate at pati yung mga mangingisda na kailangan ng pera, we make them meet, right? And we will be the bridge for them. Ang mangyayari niyan is we will be managing the fish cages. If ever a fisherman joins the organization and Sir Lloyd, kailangan namin ng pera, will you help us? So, we help them, right? We provide them the money, pero hindi po sa amin yung pera kasi kami rin mismo is we are operating our own. Yung mga pera ng mga investors po, ibibigay namin sa kanila. And to make sure that it is managed well, we have a contract with this fisherman na dito kami ang magmo-monitor ng cages nila to make sure that the risks are mitigated. Okay? And for the first batches, 1 year po yung inaano namin, 1 year po yung hold ng pera. We are targeting 20% returns for the first year. And right now, we are in August. Meron po, ang kagandahan nito is may Facebook page po ito. So, I'm just introducing this to you guys. After this, we're gonna go with my picks. So, may Facebook page po ang mangingisda.org. Just first search for it, mangingisda.org. It looks like this one. And the good thing about this is hindi po kayo naiiwan sa ere. We always put updates on the cages. So, yung ibang mga agricultural scams dyan, mahirap po kasi hindi nyo nakikita ang cages. Dito po, we let you understand the business. Meron po kaming updates lagi. Yung this is my dad. He's managing there. He is a National Director of BFAR, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources in 2012. And this is his expertise. He travels all over the country talking to fishermen, teaching them how to do fish cages. So this is his expertise. So we give you updates on the fishes on the cage that you have invested in. Right now, we have 4. If you want to ask kung meron pang available ngayon, puno pa po because we are in the testing phase. 4 cages lang po in-open muna namin. We're gonna be harvesting this December, late December or January, early January. And makita niyo po updates. So, like the page, may updates po dito. The next batches will be open on, the next batches will be open most probably January. So, we'll post it here kung pwede na mag-invest ulit. And then, we have a video also to explain to you how this is done. Andito po sa page lahat. All the updates here, pinapakita po namin. Ito yung seeding, meaning pagpasok ng mga isda sa cages. This is the building phase. Meron po kaming updates nung ginagawa pa. This is when we were pulling the cages to the seas. Ito yung paggawa namin sa cages. You're updated with all. Andyan pa ako, tumutulong pa ako sa paggawa ng cage when we were updating it. But yeah, that's the business. Check out the page if you wanna learn more. Meron po akong video dito. Just go to videos. I can't see because I'm the admin. Pero andyan po sa videos ang how to dito. Right, sa all videos. Right, I have a video, show more. So this one right here, watch this video. This is the walkthrough of how it works, how to register, paano po mag-invest. Right, so January po. So, very good business for you if you're looking for a business where it's legitimate, maganda ang business, and you're always updated. Check it out. Air Plata, especially for you, right? Pio Campanero, CHIB nga pala, sir. So, it's 901. I'll go back to the comments really quick. I'll go for my picks muna. Cover muna natin ang picks ko, ha? I have a few only for today, so medyo mabilis lang naman ito. Since market is very shaky, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 lang for you. If you really want to trade, I don't recommend trading in this kind of market. But anyways, these are very low risk positions. ATN po, ATN just bounced sa support. So this is the support of ATN right here. So this is a perfect dip to start buying ATN. Napakamura po ni ATN from there. So yeah, I'm recommending ATN for today. Especially, I'm recommending ATN for long term. This is a good time to test buy. I-test buy nyo po. FB, support is holding even if pulahan ng market, FB has been sustaining. So that's a very good sign for a solid support for ATN. For FB. And it broke MA20 already. We are playing at the upside. That's a very positive signal for FB. I've been recommending FB dito pa. And there it is. At last, gumalaw si FB. So, it's a buy for me today. NRCP, I've been waiting for NRCP to hit support again and give us confirmation buy. And there it is. We are playing at a very solid support area for NRCP. And I'm recommending NRCP, especially it's been doing well the second quarter this year and first quarter and also last year. First quarter, 274% gains. Second quarter, 145% gains. Annual, last year, 79%. Kung gusto niyo po magbodega ng NRCP, I strongly recommend. It's been doing well last year and this year, and I think it's still gonna do well the next coming years, next coming quarters. So yeah, bodegahan niyo po yun. Maganda i-long term yun sa NRCP. PPC, recommending PPC, very positive price action. We are playing at the support for PPC, pullback bounce, and there it is. Use this line right here as your support for PPC. And lastly, si MER nag-pullback na. After, I recommended MER dito sa baba, di ba? And then we touched the upper Bollinger Bands, pull back, and then there's the bounce confirmation yesterday. MER is a buy for me. Use the MA20 as your support. Okay? Congratulations sa pumasok kay MER, no? And I recommended it for the first time this quarter. Right? So those are my picks for today. I'm gonna go back to the comments. Right? But before I go to the comments, advertise muna ako. We still have seats available for September 29 right? In the afternoon session, we are going to be doing a seminar for the newbies. This will be the best seminar for you, right? It's called the Trading Masterclass. If kakasimulan nyo pa lang po sa stocks and you still do not know, nangangapa pa kayo on how to trade, I'm gonna share to you all the things you need to know for to understand trade and start trading, right? Okay, so let me just randomizer, get a randomizer. Okay, and may promotion tayo, di ba? May promotion tayo. The promotion was whoever shares this video right here. Itong post na ito, we have 72 shares. So, we are gonna be getting all the names. Right, medyo marami ang shares. Today, we're gonna be doing a draw. Alright, mamaya na lang. Ililista ko muna ang pangalan sa mga lahat nag-shares, lahat na nag-share. And then, this middle of the day, we're gonna give you the winners. We're gonna be giving 5 seats on the afternoon session. So, September 29 po. September 29, I'm gonna be there in Ascot Hotel, BGC, and to do the Trading Masterclass. So, I hope to see you there. Supportan po natin yung event. If nakapunta na kayo noon, share to your friends so that may makinabang naman. Halos libre na po yan. This is sponsored by eToro. Thank you so much, eToro, for letting us do these events na halos libre to educate all the Filipinos, as many as we can, right? As many Filipinos as we can for a very affordable price. 500 pesos lang po yung seminar. Huwag niyo po sasayangin yung opportunity. Create an eToro account using my link, and if you trade already in the future to support the channel, to support our cause, please use that account na ginawa niyo po under my link, okay? Because that helps us a lot if ginagamit niyo po yung account niyo lagi. Okay, going back sa mga requests, pasensya na kayo, medyo maingay. We are fixing something at sa bahay namin. Pio Campanero, CHIB nga pala, sir. CHIB has been showing us good bottoms already for CHIB. Ayan, nag-drop pa lalo yesterday since pulahan ng market. CHIB has been doing well lately. Second quarter niya, first quarter is a positive. Last year is a positive also. So this is, fundamentally speaking, CHIB is doing well compared to the past few years. Bakit siya bumababa? But it's already been recovering. Market sentiments very down nga lang, so iwas lang muna kay CHIB. Antayin natin, definitely antayin lang natin tong magmura talaga. It will reach a very good price for us before we can consider CHIB, kasi medyo bigat pa ng market sentiments kay CHIB. Thanks, a shout out, sir, from Raquel and Cecito. You're welcome. Congratulations again. Very good, very good job, well done. Ayoko nang isipin yung grammar. Right, job well done to you for being 27th in the Asia, right? Best trader in Asia, 27. Sa dami-daming trader sa Asia, sa eToro, you're not ranked 27. Ang galing, right? That's hard. Even ako, mahirapan ako dyan. Ernie Punay, good morning, sir. How about Didi? And to shout out to Raquel. Guys, babae po yan si Raquel, ha? Kung kaya niya, kaya din natin mga lalaki. Huwag tayong magpapatalo. Matutunan pa natin mag-day trade. If you all learn how to day trade, meron po tayong video noon. Si Sir Jed Villardo taught us how to day trade. Ang pinaka-biggest takeaway doon is sa day trading, hindi porket may nakita kayo na higher low, higher high, pinapasok nyo kaagad. Wag. Wait for a definite trend in a day, and before you start buying the pullbacks and bounces or start short selling it. Okay? Yun po yung pinaka-importante sa day trading. Ernie Punay, good morning, sir. How about Didi? Right, si Didi, bodagahin nyo to si Didi. Pula kahapon. I recommended Didi yesterday, but this is in bodega levels already. This is the lowest Didi has reached, and we are starting to reach that level already. So, anytime soon na mag-green si Didi, ang recommendation ko kay Didi is bodegahin nyo po. Right? If ever pumasok kay Didi, hindi naman siya nag-confirm yesterday. I did recommend it yesterday, but hindi siya nag-green. So, hopefully, hindi nyo pa napasok. Anytime soon, pwede nang bilhin si Didi. Right? Bodegahin nyo na po yan si Didi. Very good company. Okay, how about Didi? Gary, De La Cruz, bodega pa ba for JFC or testing muna? Testing muna kay JFC, right? So far si JFC is holding the support. So that's still okay. Um, let's see if ever we get confirmation. Pag nag-green yan si JFC today, definitely that's a buy signal. Okay? Dan sharing, sir, KPPI, please. KPPI, bakit ba medyo pababa pa si KPPI. We're seeing a bearish signal for KPPI. But we do have a possible support here, but we don't have the confirmation yet. So stay away from KPPI for now. Thanks for sharing, Dan Kiben. Blaze Fernandez, tech po, sir. We covered tech already. Antayin lang ang green. That's still okay. Sir Lloyd, when is the right time to buy GSMI po? When is the right time to buy GSMI? For the long-term stocks, anytime is. Right now, medyo nag-break siya ng support. So, we don't buy this yet. Let's try to, nahila si GSMI sa pagbagsak ng market. I did recommend GSMI kasi around, I forgot when, but around this signal right here. Kasi nag-break siya ng ME20 But with the market going down, bumagsak rin si GSMI. Malapit yan. Ang dali lang ng buy signal sa GSMI. Let's just wait for it to stabilize. Medyo volatile pa ang market ngayon. Noel Taranco, good morning, coach. When it comes to spread, mas competitive po ba eToro compared sa ibang international platform? eToro is in the middle. It's not the cheapest, especially dito sa PSEi, sa Pilipinas, right? Sa Europe kasi and sa Dubai, sa Middle East, libre lang ang spread ni eToro. Libre lang ang commission. Meron siyang spread na konti, but that's for taxes. But mura sana, pero dito sa Pilipinas medyo mahal siya. Pero it's much cheaper than PSEi if you wanna compare it. Mas mura pa rin siya sa PSE. But with other international brokers, I cannot say it's competitive enough, right? It's in the middle. It's not very expensive. It's not the cheapest, right? It's in the middle. But for me, that's okay. Ang pinaka-purpose ko kasi sa eToro is if you want to look for a different way to earn in the stock market. For example, newbie ka, si eToro lang may copy trading. So you do not mind the spreads. Kasi yung spreads na yan, bigyan na natin kay eToro kasi pinapasweldohan nila yung mga taong nagpapakopya, di ba? So why not? And it's for free. Copy trading is for free. So the spreads are okay. Why not go for eToro instead, di ba? Or if you want to be if you want to be fund manager, right? If you want to be a fund manager and you want to earn money for for trading other people's money, this is the best way to do it. Not really the best. Ang pinakamaganda is if you go to Ivy League schools and get licenses to become a fund manager and go to financial institutions. But that's very hard. That's very hard. I tell you, if you have the skills to trade, you don't have to go through that. Para bang taxi, di ba? Para kung may kotse ka naman, marunong ka naman mag-drive, mahal kaya magkuha ng prangkisa, di ba? Mahirap kumuha ng prangkisa. So you just go to Grab or Uber, enroll there, and then pwede ka nang maging taxi driver and kikita ka na. Para rin yan sa parang eToro din yan. Sa eToro kasi if marunong ka na mag-trade, for example, sa AR Plata, pwede kang gumawa, si AR Plata, sila Raquel, Necesito, they're already doing well in trading. They have the option to become a fund manager and earn extra, di ba? Because since they know how to trade, for sure they know how to position trade. They know how to do position trading and spot trends. Pwede silang mag-position trading and people start copying them and they will earn extra. So kumikita sila sa day trading, meron silang day trading account, pwede silang gumawa ng position trading na account na kung saan people can copy them and then copy their success. So pag nagpapakopya na sila, kumikita sila sa earnings nila, nakatulong pa sila, kumikita pa sila ng extra for letting people copy. So eToro is really meant for that. If you want to expand your earnings in the stock market, that's where eToro comes in. Okay? Kung gusto niyo pong mag-copy trade lang or kung gusto niyo pong magpakopya and earn extra if you want to share your skills. Okay? Kenji, thanks po Sir Lloyd. I believe you when you say bodega kasi yung BPI ko, na-recommend nyo siya before and I thought at 79 never po na siya nag-red after. Galing. I'm going long-term for BPI kasi yes, there are companies that are very good for bodega. If ever it goes down, hindi naman po ibig sabihin na sinabi kong aakyat na yan. It's just that it's a very good sign. Huwag natin sasayangin to test it out, right? And if it goes further down, then just keep buying more. Juvie, Sir Lloyd, nag-open ako ng eToro account. Paano po ba mag-fund? Meron kasi existing MBTC account automatic conversion ba depende sa dollar rate? Yes, depende po yan sa dollar rate ng banko ninyo. Right? If you want, mas maganda is kung kaya nyo pong gumawa ng it just takes 3 days gumawa ng, I think mas maganda kasi ang conversion rate ni PayMaya compared to yung bank. Mahal po si bank mahal si bank mag-convert. So, try PayMaya, create an PayMaya account, lagyan nyo lang ng pera si PayMaya, and if you wanna fund your account, then use your PayMaya na lang. Okay? Sean Forsey, good morning, Sir Lloyd from Singapore. But ang daming namula kahapon, sakit ni Didi and Meg. Yes, ang daming namula kahapon. Bakit? Nahila ni international market. Diba si Trump is, si Trump may impeachment kay Trump. And then, that's instability, right? Whenever there's instability news sa market, sa country, bumabagsak ang stocks. Kaya yun. And then, ang nangyayari kasi niyan, pag naglalabasan, if there's instability, naglalabasan ng mga investors, pati sa international market, the investors tend to go out and turtle up. Save muna lang ang pera nila at mamaya na sila maglalaro kung sure na naman yung trend. So maraming naglabas ng pera, kaya pulahan. Jezreel Arreglo, thanks Sir Lloyd for the PHA and ZSI insights. You're welcome. Rodek Palau, Sir Lloyd, SMPH po. Si SMPH ang taas na We recommended the SMPH a few days ago. Nakalipad na. Wait na lang tayo ng pullback and bounce kay SMPH, right? Amang na lang tayo sa next na pullback niya. Carl Plays, MBT, Sir, insights po. Thanks very much. MBT, I strongly recommend magbodega kay MBT kahit pulahan yan. We are nearing the lowest level MBT has reached. That's a very good sign to buy for MBT, okay? So, pag na-reach natin yan or if MBT stabilizes, that's time to start buying it again. Angelo Blasa, good morning, sir. Now po. Thanks. Si Now naman. Yan. Marami na naman naipit kay Now. Hi. Pababa pa si Now. Stay away from it for now. Jason de la Cruz, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Ano reco mo sa MBT? Sir, abangan natin sa stabilization niya and we buy more. Okay. Sir GFC po, pag nag-green yan, that's a buy. Paul Henry Cantayo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pakicheck si Didi. Ipit kahapon na bumagsak siya. NWC. We covered Didi. Definitely, okay lang maipit kay Didi if ever naipit kayo. Okay? We are at a very low level for Didi. And Didi has been doing well. Second quarter, 123%. 120%. First quarter, 43%. Last year, umangat siya because of the good performance of Didi. Right? So, third quarter, medyo negative. Second quarter, 143%. First quarter, 349%. So, these, the performance last year caused Didi to spike up. What more now when Didi has been doing well in the first quarter and second quarter? Second quarter, 120%. Ang laki niyan. So, Didi has been doing well for 2 years already. We are expecting Didi to recover already this very big loss of Didi. Okay? So, yeah. Didi, bodega for Didi as long as the company is doing well. Labugay, hi po. Good morning. Bumagsak siya. MWC, si MWC. Support is still holding for MWC. This is a double bottom for MWC. But look at the RSI. RSI is going up already. So, this is a very healthy bottom for MWC. Any stabilization soon for MWC is a buy. Definitely for MWC. ISM, we covered ISM already. Jason de la Cruz, morning sir. Tipo Insights, T. Time check, it's 9:17. Time check was brought to you by. Lagi ko naririnig yan Yeah, hindi nawawala sa isip ko whenever I see time check. Sinabi ko lang ngayon. Good pullback. Maganda yung price action ni T. Okay? T's price action, you can see that this is already starting to stabilize. I'd say this is a good pullback and bounce for T. Yeah, pwede nyo pong testingin ito si T. Dito sa support niya ito. It's been holding for 3, 4, 5 days already. This support is 5 days already. Pag nag-green yan today, that's a confirmation. Then it should be a buy for T. Pero cut loss lang. Straight cut loss. For this is for trading. Okay? If gusto nyo pumasok kay T. Alan Tige, good morning. Meron po ba kayong video about CFD trading? Wala eh, but eToro is basically CFD trading. It's basically the same as stocks. It's just that much better. It has a positive side because we are able to participate in the international market at a very low price. I mean, with a very low amount. For example, si Amazon. Let's check out Amazon. Amazon. This is the biggest difference with CFD trading. Ito nga pala, the difference between other brokers and eToro. Kasi sa CFD, for example, si eToro, look at Amazon. Look at the price of Amazon right now. It costs $1,768 per stock. Okay? So to buy one stock of Amazon, you need to have $1,700. $1,700 is around 80,000 pesos, di ba? Mahirap magsimula. Isang Amazon lang mabibili mo, all in ka kaagad. That's hard, di ba? What CFD trading allows you to do is you can buy a portion of Amazon. For just $200, you can already participate in Amazon. So you just divide, let's say, 176, 1,700 divided by 200. So how much portion of Amazon? Let's say that is 1/8. 1/8 ba? Tama ako? Yeah, 1/8. So, 1/8 part of Amazon, pwede ka nang sumali sa growth ni Amazon. What if Amazon goes up? Hindi ka nakaparticipate kay Amazon kasi sobrang mahal ni Amazon. But with just $50, even just $50, you can already participate in Amazon. That's the beauty of CFD trading. Downside is, since CFD lang siya, that means you don't own the physical stock. Ang makukuha mo lang is the amount, the value of that portion, and dividends of that portion. For example, 1/8 yan. You also get 1/8 of the dividends, right? So, others view it as a downside if ever malaki ang pera ninyo. That's a downside. Kasi mas maganda talaga if meron kayong hawak na certificate na may-ari kayo na stock. But for us Filipinos, who don't have that much, this is a good avenue for us to start stepping in the international market even with very minimal amounts, diba? So that's the good side of CFD also. Okay, the bad side is you don't own the stock, right? We just own the value of the stock. Okay? Sir, EW and Tech, please. EW. Marami pa yan. Wow, siguro we'll have a discussion one of these days. Hindi po nakapaghandaan na maayos. EW, hindi nag-sustain ng MA20 niya. Attempted to do a breakout, kaso nga lang market did not sustain. Okay? So, right now, si EW has a support. Medyo pulahan si EW. Let's see what will happen. Best entry for EW is a breakout. Jokas Marcial Ali po, Sir Jonas po ito from Saudi Arabia. Uy, si Jonas. Good morning po. Ali. Si Ali gusto ko i-recommend eh. Pero na-recommend ko na si Ali kasi the past few days, di ba? Recommend ko dito. Recommend ko pa dito. Medyo nakalipad na si Ali, but I still will say Ali is still good to go. Right? Maganda pa rin ang price action ni Ali. Higher highs, higher lows. Actually, yung low niya dito dahil sa bearish yung market. But this is the best entry point, yung support. If you're given the support entry for Ali, why not? New po ako, gusto ko matutunan from Labugay. Hi Labugay. I have a few videos online on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Tignan nyo po ang playlist ko, yung basics guides, and I have a seminar for stock market. That will be a very good video for you. Erwin Pagulong, Sir, venue Ascot Hotel sa Pasay, BGC. BGC po ang venue. Right? Sismis GT Cap po, sir. Let's check out GT Cap. GT Cap. GT Cap. Medyo pulahan si GT Cap. So, stay away from it. Did recommend GT Cap here. Umakyat naman siya ng konti. Kaso nga lang, bumulusok kaagad. So, yeah. I can't remember when I recommended GT Cap. Was it on a breakout or... No, I think this is the pullback that I recommended GT Cap. Pabagsak pa si GT Cap eh. Abangan lang natin. Right? Still no buy signals for GT Cap. Lawrence Reyes, Sir Lloyd, ano stock pick mo for long-term investment sa eToro? Number 1 is Microsoft. Number 2 is Visa and MasterCard. Pili lang kayo dyan. Yun muna. The best. And then Coke. For food industry, Microsoft, Coke. AMD is also very good. Visa. Netflix, somehow, kung gusto ko yung Netflix right now is very cheap. Si Amazon is for long-term also. GWPH can be considered as for long-term also since it's been doing well. But if you want to ask me top 3, Microsoft, Coke, and Visa. Ito may tatlo. At least diversified kayo sa industries. Meron kayong tech, one of the best of the tech. right here, Microsoft. Sa food industry naman, one of the best si Coke. And then sa banking, si Visa, one of the best right there. So these three are my top picks for long term. Okay, naipit ako. So, okay, now, sir, ano po magandang gawin? Should I buy more, do nothing, or wait, or sell it? Alright, Angelo Brasa, I have a video about how to average down without, I have a video, nga pala, may kanina from Labugay. Labugay, go to my Facebook page, Financial Freedom 101. May nakapin po na post dyan, how to get rich in the stock market. Start with this video. This is very important for you. Okay? Angelo, search for my video, how to average down without adding money in stocks. So, average down, Lloyd Bazar. Look at this video. This is how you do it. How to average down. Hilain niyo po pababa ang average niyo sa mga ipit niyo stocks na maganda naman. Right, Aleja Oclarit, sir, paki-check po. 924. Sadly, last lang ito. Ideal ba $200 ang pang-trade sa eToro? $200 if you're doing day trading is already very big. Kung day trade nyo po yan, gumagamit kayo ng leverage, $200 is very big. Pero if ever nagpo-position trader lang kayo or nagpapaka-copy trade lang kayo, I do not recommend $200 only. Napakaliit lang po niyan. Kasi, let's say by average, you gain 10% in 1 year. So, $200 and 10% po niya is $20 lang po kinilita nyo in 1 year. Napakaliit lang po niyan. Okay, if you plan to copy trade, then I recommend $500 to $1,000 is a good start. That's a healthy start already. If gusto niyo po mag-day trade using leverage, $200 is okay. So, Aleha, unahin ko lang sa Aleha ha. Sir, pakicheck po si okay, X. Ayan, si X na maraming pinaasa. X, right, bumagsak rin kaagad si X kasi walang volume ang market. So, the trend did not sustain. So, that's why I don't trade X or other right now. Okay? Kahit anong stocks na, basura stocks right now. ICT and Fencer, Lloyd, pasuyo. Right, so, ICT. Right, si ICT, this is a good company. It's just that ICT right now, maganda naman price action yung pinapakita ni ICT, di ba? Recommended ICT here on the divergence. Medyo maangat siya pero mabagal. Kasi medyo mahal na si ICT. As much as possible, go for stocks na nasa baba pa. Maraming nasa baba pa. Sila Didi, ganun. Si ICT, masyado mataas na po yan. Right now, showing us, okay naman ang price action na pinapakita niya. Higher highs and higher lows. But I don't focus on stocks na nasa taas. Also, Fed, nasa taas na po yan si Fed. Right, very challenging na yung position ni Fed. John Mark, last lang, sir. Naipit po ako sa PHA. Na buy ko 90. Ano po pwede kong gawin? Right. If ever ipit po kayo, malaking ipit na at masakit na ibenta, watch this video, how to average down without adding money in stocks. Check this video at marami na po natulungan nyo sa strategy na yan. Okay, so that's it for today. Reminders, guys, if you create an eToro account, please use my link. And for your future trades, kasi ganito po yan. If you're a partner of eToro like me, I will be honest with you, 25% po ng kita ni eToro, binibigay niyo po sa inyo. So, di ba may charges po? 25% po na kinikita ni eToro goes to the partner, yung nag-recommend. So, if ever in the future you trade, habang nagtitrade po kayo, tumutulong po kayo sa Financial Freedom 101. So, please trade using your account na ginawa niyo po using my link also. So, create an account using my link. September 29, sponsored by eToro. Thank you so much, eToro, for making this event happen. BGC po tayo sa Ascot Hotel. Just 500 pesos. Go to my Facebook page or the Billionaires Club and mag-register na po kayo. Huwag niyo po sasayangin. Napakamura lang po na event na yan. Okay? See you in Manila on Sunday. I'll see you again tomorrow for the daily grind. As always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.